Hey traders, just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use the cash secured put calculator. Something I use every time whenever I'm doing a cash secured put or a wheel trade. So we're going to look at an example using EEM. So we're going to look at a couple of different styles of cash secured puts. We'll look at an at the money 15-day put, and then we'll look at some longer term puts with some different strikes at the money, slightly out of the money, and further out of the money. So literally all we do, today's date will populate automatically. The only cells we need to update are these ones in light green. So we'll put in our first date. Stock price is 55.67, the strike price is 55, and the premium for that Feb put is 61. You can see if that option expires worthless, we'll get a 1.12% return. That's in 11 days. So on an annualized basis, that's 37%. Always want that to be more than about 15%. So that's a really healthy return. Now, it's only an 11-day option. So what if we want to go a bit further out in time and we want to generate some more premium? Remember, these trades are going to move really, really quickly. Longer term trades are going to move a little bit slower. So if we go out to June and sell the same strike price, we can generate, say, 299 is the midpoint currently. That's still around a 15% return, but now we've got a 6.5% margin for error. So I still like that trade as well. And then we can put our third example in here. Strike price of 50, option price of 147. Now we've got a really great margin for error, 12.83% on the downside to our break even. We're only generating about an 8% return per year. So that's a little bit on the low side. So it's just handy to have these three here together so we can compare side by side. You could even add a fourth one in there and do the 45 put if you wanted. But as I said, this one's a little bit low on the return side. If we change that to 45 and we're only generating, say, 74 cents, that's only a 4 and a bit percent return annualized. Even though we've got a 20% margin for error, that return's just too low for me to be able to sell that put. There's no reason to do that. So for me, out of those four, I'd probably go for this one. It's about a 15% annualized return with a pretty decent margin for error. Then of course, if it comes down and we get assigned, we then sell a call option, sell another put to turn into a wheel trade. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the calculator. I hope you find it helpful. I use it all the time. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon.